Hi, my name is Imas Aryumningsih from 12 Science 4, and I'm here to share my story in school. When I was a freshman in high school in era pandemic, my friends and I object because learning is hard at home or online. The learning situation is not conscious of factor of that. Become object class are distracted at home, such as games, sleeping around, being disturbed by family, or being disturbed by connection. Feeling of lessness also increased due to lack of supervision from teachers or school. The student feel no pressure on as a result of this. The level of understanding of learning begins to. My dream is become a programmer or developer and work in my dream